To do keyword research, we are going to use SEMrush Keyword Magic Tool. On the left-hand side, click on Keyword Magic Tool. This will help you find millions of keyword suggestions and opportunities. You only need to type in your keyword here. For example, I want to create an article on the best email marketing tools. So, I will enter my target keyword here. Next, you can select your target country from this list. Our target country will be US or UK for this keyword. And then hit this search button. Now, SEMrush will provide you a lot of organic and paid keywords ideas similar to your target keyword. These are the exact keywords that people are actively searching for. Here, you can see all the other keywords that are similar to the seed keyword. Next, we have the keyword intent section. Our target keyword intent is commercial, which means that people are searching for these keywords when they want to buy something. Next, we have the search volume for these keywords, which actually shows us how many people are actively searching for these keywords. Next, we have the KD or keyword difficulty score. It basically tells you how easy or hard it can be to rank for these keyword. If the keyword difficulty score is close to 100, then it means that high authority websites are ranking for those keywords. If you have a new website or blog, then you should target keywords that have the KD score below 30. To find such keywords, go to the KD filter option here, and then select the easy option. Now, you'll only see the keywords that have low competition and are easy to rank for beginners. Next, if you click on any keyword, it will give you a detailed overview of that keyword. You can see the keyword difficulty, global search volume, keyword intent, trend of the keyword, and much more. And when you scroll down, you'll see some other keyword ideas. As a general rule, we only want to target for keywords that have low competition and high search volume. This keyword, for example, doesn't have a very high search volume, which means that even if we rank for this keyword, we will not get many visitors on our site. So, you only need to repeat the same process until you found a high search volume and low competition keyword. That's how to do keyword research using SEMrush. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe.